Hello everyone. I'm starting with a common coaxial cable splitter. This little device is typically used to split a single signal into multiple outputs. But today, we're going to repurpose it as the central hub for our homemade antenna. Now, you might be wondering why I'm showing you this can of tuna. After carefully opening it, I'm going to remove all the tuna and set it aside. This delicious tuna is just for lunch. Our main focus is on the can and particularly the pull tabs. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm carefully removing the pull tabs from the can lids. These small metal pieces, often discarded, will play a key role in our antenna's design. I'm making sure to get 2 of them, as they will serve as our primary signal collectors. I'm setting these aside and moving on to preparing our wiring. I'm taking 2 sections of black insulated wires, and I'll use a utility knife to strip a portion of the insulation from one end. This exposes the inner copper wire, which is essential for our electrical connections. I'm carefully twisting the braided shield. This creates a more solid and manageable conductor, making it easier to attach to our components and ensuring a strong electrical connection. It's all about making sure the signal flows freely. Then, I'll securely attach an F connector to this end. A snug fit is really important for a reliable connection. Now I'll move on to the other end of the cable. I'll strip the longer black outer insulation with a utility knife. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll cut off the braided jacket because I only need the center copper wire on this end of the cable. Then I'll go one step further and strip the white inner dielectric to expose the center copper wire. This will be the important connection point later. After preparing the coaxial cable, I used a screwdriver and wrapped the central copper core around the screwdriver to form a small spring loop. I used pliers to adjust and stretch the spring. Stretching the spring helps to get better signal during use. I'm going to attach this stripped spring to one of our tow hooks. I'll thread the wire through the hole in the tow hook and then twist it tight with pliers. This ensures a secure physical and electrical connection. I'm repeating the same process for the second pull tab. This gives us two identical antenna elements, crucial for capturing signals from different directions effectively. Look at these clever little antenna elements we've created. We have two pull tab antennas and two coiled wire antennas, all ready to be connected to our splitter. I'm screwing one of the coiled wire antennas into one of the output ports of the TV splitter. Then, I'll screw the other coiled wire antenna into the other output port. These connections need to be tight to ensure proper signal transmission. Now, for the main input cable that will connect to the TV. I'm stripping the outer jacket from one end. It's important to be precise here, as the shield and inner conductor need to be separated properly. I'm twisting the exposed braided shield and then preparing the central conductor. The shield needs to be neatly pushed back, and the inner wire twisted for a good connection. Then, I'll securely attach an F connector, ensuring it's on firmly. This is where our main signal will travel. I'm securing the prepared end of this coaxial cable to the central input port of the splitter. This connection is vital, as it channels all the signals picked up by our antenna directly to your TV. Next, I need to prepare the coaxial cable, which will plug into the TV. I'm carefully stripping back the outer black insulation to expose the braided shield and the inner white insulation. The braided shielding will be twisted together to create a separate connection point. This meticulous preparation ensures proper signal transmission. Further, I'm stripping the white insulation to reveal the solid copper core. I'm attaching a F connector to this freshly stripped end of the cable. This will be the direct connection to our television's antenna input. And to make it easier to connect to the TV, I'm adding a 90-degree F connector adapter to this end. This helps reduce strain on the TV port. This is our finished DIY antenna. Are you ready to see it in action? As you can see right now, there's no signal. It's a blank screen, just no signal showing. I'm connecting the main coaxial cable from our homemade antenna directly into the antenna input on the back of my television. And just like that, crystal clear. This simple DIY antenna, made from a few repurposed items, is working perfectly. No more fuzzy screens or expensive cable bills. I'm flipping through them and you can see that the signal is strong and stable. This simple, homemade antenna is performing wonderfully, bringing in a variety of broadcasts. From news programs to entertainment, every channel is coming through without a hitch. It's amazing what you can achieve with a little creativity and some common items that might otherwise end up in the recycling bin. This truly shows that innovation doesn't always require expensive equipment. To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. Our TV is now fully functional, receiving multiple channels with great quality, all thanks to this innovative DIY antenna. This project really demonstrates that with some ingenuity, you can find practical and affordable solutions. Our incredible multifunctional antenna, made from a simple TV splitter and a few household items. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.